Hello and welcome back to Panda's Adventures. Yes, today we are going to be having a look at some of the artwork we featured in our vlog yesterday. So we can see here Alex, the other half of Panda, is drawing, and we're going to have a quick video really just to show you what type of drawings that he's done and the artwork that you could probably do at home by following some really simple steps and watching some great videos that have been made by the Disney animators on YouTube. So Alex is with me now, which is great. Talk us through what you've been doing then.
So as you can see, this is Winnie the Pooh at the minute. Dead easy, following the step-by-step instructions done by the Disney animators on their YouTube channel. They've got loads that you can follow on there at the moment. Winnie the Pooh is quite a simple one, a very simple circular drawing, mark up for the face as you can see there, and then kind of follow it around for the head shape and then his jumper. I've done quite a few now. It's something to keep me busy while we're going through this lockdown, as I have nothing else to do at the moment. I mean, comment below if there's any others you want to see. I'll flick through the scrapbook in a second so you can see what ones we have done already. If there's any that you'd like me to do, please comment.
Yeah, so as we can see here, we've got Alex just drawing for his life at the minute. If you're watching from outside the UK, it's basically the same as everywhere in the world. There's a lot of furloughing going on, so there's a lot of time on people's hands at the minute, and Alex is pretty good with his hands. Clearly he can draw pretty well. So yeah, comment below if you do want him to draw anything specific, and we'll see what he can do. But enjoy the rest of the video. Only a few slides left there, but comment, like and subscribe. See you later guys, bye.